Abby and I are heading to the North Elkhorn Creek where we're going to be kayaking. We got the kayaks up on top of the roof, and this is a back-to-school trip that Abby and I are going to have. Did you have a good summer?
Yes.
Can you recall one of your favorite things about the summer of 2021?
Everything.
There's a lot to choose, a lot to pick. We did all kinds of things, like going on a trip with Grammy and Grampy and your cousins. That was a lot of fun. Remember when we went to that water park? That was a lot of fun. The water park?
Oh yeah, that was the best. Wave pool.
Are you pretty eager to get back to school?
Yeah, I'm pretty excited.
Gonna do drama possibly?
Yeah.
We're heading out, and this is going to be a fun trip with me and my oldest. God bless. We're going to go upstream, stay away from the dam. Looks pretty though. Abby, do you want to try to go down that?
No.
You don't want to try?
No.
You want to try it or not?
Down it?
Yeah, go down it.
No.
Would your mom be comfortable with it?
Oh my goodness.
We'll go the other way. And now we're getting ready to load up. We got it all ready to go, Ab?
Yeah, we're just ready to get onto the water.
Why don't you go ahead and take your kayak down? Or do you want to help carry it? You get that side. This is Abby's first time going solo, isn't it?
Well, yeah, basically, yeah. Well,
Your own kayak. We'll put it right here. Look at the still water. Isn't it beautiful?
Very little moving. It's really...
The dam is right there, so we're going to stay away from that area. We're going to go upstream. It looks beautiful. I'm eager to get on the water, aren't you?
Yeah.
What a glorious day. God is good. So now I have to get my kayak in, and I'm going to cast a line or two, and we're going to find a place where she can get out and cast a line. You ready, Abby Castellani? Here we go. Let's get in. You comfortable?
Yeah.
Here's your oar.
Oh no.
It's double-sided, so that it's oars. One time we forgot a half a
Oh my
side.
goodness. It was the worst.
It was the worst. Now I'm going to push you on in, girl, okay?
Okay.
And you're going to go which way?
This way.
Absolutely, you're that way.
And do that.
Yep. And here she goes. And she's in. Can I come join you?
Please do.
Please do. It's going to be a good day. I love my girl. Proud of you, Abby.
Love you.
Well, she wasted no time getting ahead of me. My beautiful girl. You want to go by that stream, Eb?
Yeah.
All right, let's park. There we go. Abby and I, we made the decision to get into the frigid water.
A bad decision.
It wasn't bad. It's actually starting to warm up, but we got in the water. Keep in mind, it's September 10th, 2021. So we're about 2 weeks late to the water game here.
Yeah.
North Elkhorn Creek, very peaceful. I've explained to Abby what the Bible means in Psalm 23, where it says, He leadeth us beside still water. What does still water emphasize?
Peace.
Peace, and how God gives us peace in difficult times. Very peaceful water.
Okay.
I think we're ready to get out.
Yeah. It's getting bad.
Let's head back to the kayaks. Take care. Here we are fishing in the North Elk Creek. And you want to explain what you have on there?
So I have an artificial rubber frog,
Let's look at it.
and here's what it looks like.
It's alive. Why don't you cast the line? Wouldn't that be
Okay.
crazy if you caught a fish?
Yeah, we have not caught one so far. So if I catch one now.
Well, you caught something. I just had to get in the boat and get it.
I did not.
She caught a rock.
Yeah.
Let's see what it looks like when it comes to the shore. Are you serious?
No, I'm not.
Are you stuck again?
No.
It looks so real, doesn't it?
Yeah.
We're gonna head up that way. Supposedly there's some type of bridge of some sort, and then we're gonna head
We'll
back.
video it.
Video it.
Be still now, child. When you've lost your way in the hell of yesterday bleeds into today. I see the storm is raging inside and all around, and you're a tempest tossed till you're lost, feeling for the ground. And I will never leave you orphaned all alone. I'll send my spirit to come and call you home.
I think you beat me, Ab.
I think I did.
You're pretty fast on this thing.
Well, if I try, yeah.
That's some state-of-the-art graffiti right there. Is that legal or illegal?
It's illegal.
Illegal. Against the law. I think we should turn around and head back.
I'm ready.
You ready to head back?
You are. Yeah, because there's a tree blocking the way up there.
It looks as if.
Yeah.
Let's head back.
Okay.
So we're pretty sure that fox is hunting for something. That's not something you see all the time around here. Well, I'm sure it is something that you see all the time around here. We're just not here a lot. But that was really neat, wasn't it? Pretty. All right. Yeah. Let's head back. Very fun. So there's an alligator Careful, Abbi. There's an alligator right there. Be careful, Abbi. We gotta get out of here.
Alright guys, here's the waterfall, or dam, sorry. Very beautiful. Alright guys, bye.
That's a wrap on the trip. Got the kayaks loaded. Did you have fun?
Yeah,
What animals did we get to see?
we got to see foxes, or one fox, and multiple turtles.
Lots of turtles. I saw a squirrel and birds.
Oh yeah.
So it was a good time. That alligator that we saw, I'm glad it didn't get in the water, but we got to see that. And then we got to see this dam over here and go fishing by it. Didn't catch any fish, but that's okay. We had a blast. Was it a good summer overall?
Yeah.
Looking forward to school Monday?
Yeah.
You're going to do a great job. I love you.
I mean,
Why